Thank you for joining me today at 2cutebeads.com. We're going to be creating the guardian angel, and I'm going to show you how we created it here at 2cutebeads. Your kit will contain everything you need to complete one guardian angel. You have your stainless steel wire, and the first thing we need to do with our stainless steel wire is cut off a section. I'm going to cut off a section about 5 inches long and set it to the side. Now I'm going to straighten my wire. Move my tools out of my way a little bit here. Okay, so the first thing we're going to load on is our pendant, and we're going to center this. Then we're going to load a 3mm bicone on each side. Like this. Then we're going to add our light rose heart on each side. Then our rose heart on each side. Now, we're going to move this down a little bit, straighten our wire. We are going to take our right wire and we're going to take it back through our rose, our light rose, our little 3mm bicone, our pendant, our 3mm bicone again, our light rose, and our rose. We're going to pull our wire a little bit here, and we're going to try to get everything centered again here. We're going to hold this. We're going to gently bring everything up. Kind of pinch it together. And I'm going to wrap it about 3 times, just so that I can get a good grip on it. Now I'm going to take my bent nose. Now you can use your bent nose or your flat nose. I don't suggest using your round nose because it can slip on you. So I use either bent nose or flat nose. As I've told you before, my bent nose are my go-to tool. And I grab it right here, about this far up. And I just start twisting until I've got a nice grip on it. Everything's going to start to tighten. And I just keep wrapping it until I feel it get good and tight and stiffen up a little bit here. Now I'm going to move my bent nose up a little bit, and I'm going to continue wrapping, and you'll see that it just keeps rolling up here. Move it up a little bit. I'm going to continue wrapping. And it's nice and firm. Wrap up a little bit higher. Okay. This is our base of our angel with pink wings. I'm going to take my other little 3mm bicone, and I'm going to load it on here. It's going to slide down in place. I'm going to take my round 8mm round head. This is her head and her crown. Okay, so here she is. Push everything down in place. There we go. Probably should have wrapped it a little bit longer. I'm going to continue wrapping here a little bit. By just twisting and moving my bent nose up. That should be good. Okay. Now with my round nose, I'm going to make a simple loop. Just back towards me, away from me. Bring it around. I'm going to use my bent nose because I can always grab tighter with my bent nose than I can with my fingers. And I'm going to wrap it around twice just to make sure that everything is nice and secure. And there's her loop. She's all set. With my nippers, I'm going to cut off my excess stainless steel. So she's ready to go. So now you have a piece of chain. And I'm just going to fold my chain in half. Cut off one little loop here so that I have two sections. So now I have two pieces of chain. So now with my smaller jump ring, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to add her to it. I'm going to add my chain, one piece of my chain to it, and then close. And all these components come in your kit. And our kits, we do not charge any more for our kits than if you bought the beads individually. We just do not want you to have extra beads hanging around. And we know the kit has everything and the sizes and everything that are needed to make the design. So now we're going to take that 5-inch piece of wire that we cut off earlier. And we're going to load it through the other end of our chain here. And we're going to run our little briolette in our clear crystal bicone. And another briolette. I'm going to grab those and I'm going to pull them all down nice and tight. Make sure they're straight on my chain. There she is. If you can see the whole thing here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm going to start with a loop. Back towards me, away from me, under. And I'm going to stop right here. And I'm going to load the other end, the other piece of chain, on here. Just like that. I'm going to grab it here. And then again, find my bent nose. And I'm going to wrap it around. And I do this like 2 or 3 times just to make sure it's secure and on there. There. So that's that section. And again, okay, so here she is now. And it doesn't have to be this long. I mean, if you want to stop it here, you can add your jump ring here. You can cut your chain shorter. This is your larger jump ring. I'm going to open it, Put my larger jump ring on, close it, and she is now ready to hang in a window. We have been putting them in little gardens, you know, planters. So you get the little plant holder, or I make them with wire. And then I just hang her above my ferns or in my ferns and hide my little angels in my plants. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining us at 2cutebeads.com.